And you can call her and be like, hey, I got arrested because I was stealing shit for your baby shower and now I can't come.
On February 21st, 2025, at approximately 7:19 p.m., Humble police officers were dispatched to a Target store. A routine shoplifting call quickly escalated into an arrest when security caught a woman allegedly stealing over $200 worth of baby products. The suspect? 21-year-old Kristeen Castro. According to Target Loss Prevention, Kristeen had been under surveillance for suspicious behavior. Now, let's break down exactly what happened.
That's no fun.
I made it very clear that y'all are already here to poke on. You don't have the copy? I did, but she didn't. Actually, she was the one that had the merchandise when they exited. She was the one holding the cart. So we go with the person who asked me. I gave her my paper ideas.
And we gotta get the rest of our person.
Here, give it to me, Karen.
And then this person.
Okay.
But since she pushed out the basket with everything in it, it goes on her. That's how we do it. Yes. Great friends. You know how to pick them. So you get the rest of everything.
I was like, you have money in here?
Yes, you have money.
Bro, really?
I don't have a job right now. I'm trying.
Well, you got money. You got money. Well, now you're gonna have all these tickets, so all this stuff you gotta pay.
Do you know exactly what I'm
And then this person.
I have a son. He's really bad, but I only got this because I have a show to go to.
It's not working.
And also, I have a dental implant. I need my antibiotic.
Nobody cares. Don't
I
care.
have a dental implant.
Nobody cares.
My face is really swollen.
Girl, I don't care.
And you came to Target? Can you tell my friend it's like basically like
Place the wall for me, please. Do you have any weapons, anything like that?
no.
Alright, put your hand in your bag. Yes, ma'am.
Do you know exactly what's gonna happen? Cause I have a son, that's why.
Let me see your phone.
I have a son.
Where's your son at?
He's with his dad, but I only got this because I have a baby shower to go to tomorrow.
Well, I don't know if you're gonna make that baby shower.
And also, I have a dental implant. I need my antibiotics. Nobody cares. I got a dental implant.
Nobody cares.
My face is really swollen.
Alright, take a seat real quick.
Can you tell my friend at least like basically like just contact?
We can't give her any information because you're over 18. Yeah. Girl, she had a bunch of cash.
That's the friend purse.
That's not mine.
Can you look under that jacket?
Oh,
Thank you.
really? Is there more in there?
Your jacket or theirs?
That's hers.
Your
The friend. She took that. Good friends.
I got it.
So all, did they pay for this or?
I paid for the bag.
Okay, I think that's everything out of this first.
Well, she gave me her card. I got it right.
Okay.
I can pay for all of it right now for
Doesn't
this.
matter.
I know, but I'm saying just overall. Pay.
Starting today, for a year, you're trespassed for all of Harris County stores.
You're Kristen.
Christine.
I mean, you got something in your shoes?
No, I'm just saying, like, that's how
You got anything in your pockets?
No, no.
Here, just stand up for me real quick.
Did we already empty her purse?
Both bags are empty.
Oh.
Everything going on?
You'll try me a little bit. Turn.
So my depository is my friend is too.
We'll figure it out in a minute.
Yeah, it's okay.
Just take a seat.
Oh,
That's not scanning.
so it's not scanning.
Thank you.
I don't know. Recently, some of the like stuff hasn't been working right. I don't know what. We had about
Well,
like.
it's good that I don't have a job right now and I'm just sitting in my friend putting her face on.
Is yours?
Yeah. I have a DPC after the donation.
This baby stuff was for your baby or somebody else?
Somebody else's.
Oh, I ain't getting that.
My baby's already older. It's like 3.
Oh.
It's her first baby.
Okay, go ahead.
53, go ahead. 055 09 0677. That's clear. You can do the CCH for prior thefts.
What would it be like a misdemeanor? Or something?
I don't know how much this is.
Well, since it's not all mine, it's
That doesn't matter.
You walked out with it.
It's all
Walked
yours.
out with everything.
okay.
Smells like them.
Okay. Can you tell my location on my phone though? Because I don't want like my sister seeing I'm at jail or anything. I'm gonna just tell them I spent a night something else or something.
You'll get your phone at some point. You'll be able to do it yourself.
209.49.
So my sister's seeing. It's because my parents. I don't want my parents to worry because they both have cancer.
I didn't turn her off. but I'm
Yeah,
not
so
gonna
it's
You're just going through it.
yeah. Both my parents have cancer.
Okay, well your medication's in your purse. Whenever you get to the jail, it's got.
It's not that medication, but
Girl, then I can't help you.
it's fine. Every 8 hours, so
If you don't have it with you, then I can't. How am I supposed to give it to you?
it's fine. If I get an infection, it's okay.
That's on you. You were stealing.
That's what I'm saying. It's on me.
Mhm.
I already know. I already have.
What made y'all do this today?
She got a baby shower.
It's because I have.
Oh, it's called
It's
baby
because
shower?
I'm broke.
Oh, I missed that part.
I
Okay.
got that.
I got that part.
Oh, you got the- okay.
It's because I'm broke right now and I don't have a job.
She got cash.
Yeah, it's for gas and stuff.
Oh.
The
I know it
other,
was wrong, of course, but I was like, I need to get her something.
That's crazy.
I'd have said, "Hey, look, I'm broke. I'm
That's
gracing you with my
what I
presence
said.
right now," and that's what I got.
Yeah,
I'm
here
not
go
gonna
forward.
tell nobody this. The only person's gonna know is her. Unless it's her. But
Well, you ain't gonna be at the baby shower. You're gonna be in jail.
You gonna be in jail.
how long does it usually take?
You're gonna be transported to JPC downtown, so you're gonna be stuck.
And they take
But how long?
hours.
How long is the bond usually? I know the bond. I kind of know.
You mean how much?
Yeah, how much? Like how
I
long?
don't know.
The processing and everything though.
I don't know. You're gonna be in our jail. They gotta accept the charges down there, and then you'll be transported. So probably the next
So-
day and a half, 2 days.
So when I get to it's not a phone call.
When we get to our jail, and you can call and be like, "Hey, I got arrested because I was stealing shit for your baby shower, and now I can't come." I don't know which one was hers.
The black one.
This girl got all kinds of cash in here. I can give it to her.
But out of technicality, if she would have touched that basket when she walked out, we would have both.
To be fair, she did.
Now you can be mad at your friend.
Yeah.
Tell her next time you go thieving, you gotta hold the cart too in case we get caught.
Yeah, we both got a whole cart when we walk
I
out.
don't say mad at people. Whatever happens, happens. It comes for a reason.
Oh, I'm
I
all
don't do
good just
that.
for life.
No, it's not healthy to live.
Okay,
So it's not technically healthy to live that way, you know? My sister's like that. I feel like
Easy.
she's very unhappy.
So you
Not saying you're
realize,
unhappy, but I'm saying like it's very bad to his whole record overall.
hold on. So you realize that this is gonna be on your record.
Like, I know.
And
but
if you
I know
go
it's
to
a
get
lawyer,
a job when they do a background check, because you
For
don't
your
have a
job
job right
check.
now.
I know that, but I'm saying if it's a misdemeanor, I can for sure probably get it taken off of me.
No,
No.
it's class B. It's gonna be a class B.
It's
It's gonna be on there for a while.
yeah.
I don't know. If I don't know, I get a lawyer, but maybe not.
Girl, you just got caught red-handed. What do you mean? They're not gonna dismiss that.
I mean, I know that, but this maybe it's something, mostly something. I'm very positive. I try to stay positive. no matter what.
Whatever helps you sleep better at night, but tonight it's gonna be in
That's
jail.
No, I know that I'm going to jail clearly.
What medication did you say you were on for your job?
No, I'm taking antibiotics.
Oh,
I'm like this overall as a person, trust me. I just-
okay.
Do you have her phone number?
Oh, now look at this picture.
Is this your jacket or the other girl's jacket?
I'll worry.
Yeah, no, I can take her.
Do you want to give this stuff to the other chick then? Okay, this is the other chick's stuff.
Can I do her dance now? Before you leave?
Check out a dance.
So our store, the district is doing all hands on deck weekend. So all AP is like in
That's
store.
what antibiotics, but
And so every store was assigned to choose a theme song as like a hype for the
Well, if you're
weekend,
gonna go
right?
steal and possibly get caught, you should probably
So
bring your
we
antibiotics
took
that you
Eva.
need.
About Beyonce.
Oh.
Yeah. And so
Gotta do y'all's dance.
You're gonna make up a dance to Citizen District.
yeah, I was.
What do you want to do with the bags?
Oh, they can go to the friend if that's okay with her. One of them is the
they're both
friend.
I mean, just give her the bag.
I mean, there ain't gonna be no gifts in them. It'll be just air, but she's gonna have them.
They pay for something.
I mean, just tell her.
I'm gonna take her.
Wait. Oh,
Give her the jacket. Give her the
I was
jacket on me.
confused.
She's in cold.
That's not yours.
Oh,
You stealing that too.
No, that's her. No, that's her jacket.
Then why would I put it on you?
No, because she has my jacket. She didn't want to wear that jacket. It's her mom's.
Damn. Sounds like you don't have a jacket.
No,
Yes.
she has my jacket on right now, the gray
You want me to
one.
give this to your friend?
I mean, yeah, I mean, I'd say if you want it.
They don't have a gift to go inside of it.
Let's talk about air.
You can't have the jacket in the jail anyways.
Oh, dang, okay. It's cold.
Okay.
They don't get jackets.
Please go.
No,
No, she'll get a blanket at some point.
At some point.
that's crazy.
Let's go this way.
You wear a mask about this?
For what?
My face is swollen.
Girl, you're going to jail and you're embarrassed.
No, for real, I'm embarrassed. My freaking. No, my face is
Sorry.
swollen. I don't like it. But it's swollen. Just relax.
I don't know what she is. Not bad point here. I feel stylish with this purse on right now, though. How many?
21.
There, we're gonna go this way. Damn, I parked far. To Humble Police Department.
Don't tell nobody.
Humble.
Don't tell nobody when you do
The other officer is gonna come out and give you your stuff, okay? Humble. Just Google it. You'll be able to find the address.
that. Wait, the one on Texas Road?
Nope. It's on Bender. It's like 5 minutes away.
Wait, I think there was one downtown.
You will.
Oh, transfer.
Yeah, you will at some point. Probably sometime tomorrow.
It takes that long. I have
Here,
people go to
here.
jail.
Stand by the front for me real quick, so I can unlock my car. Just stop. So it takes that long? It's like a process.
I know, no, what I'm saying is 'cause I know someone went to jail.
Let's go on the
I thought he was,
passenger side.
I thought he was like quicker. They did worse.
Hop in there. Where's your kid at?
Who's that?
In the end, Kristeen Castro's $200 shoplifting spree didn't just land her behind bars for the weekend. It cost her way more than she bargained for. A misdemeanor charge, a trip to jail, and a criminal record, all over baby socks and sunscreen. Did she deserve it? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before I steal from you next.